Okay, this is a retro, probably 50s utility dresser cupboard, mass produced in the mid 20th century. These things, not so many of them left now. It's in good condition, but it will need repainting really, or if you like it like this, is a sort of quite an old finish on it. It's nice and shabby chic. A few paint runs there. It's got chrome handles, slightly pitted in places, and a couple of replacement Bakelite ones there. Okay, I'll show you around it. The top has glazed doors with a little airing thing at the back. Again, needs a bit of a clean out. It's got the original, well not original, but some I don't know what, but needs a clean. Got a lovely pull out section. Got work surface there. Now this has been added. It's got a sort of formica top. Got egg rack at the back. It's got 4 plastic drawers, glass sort of drawers there, and then below that it's got these are sort of aluminium lined cupboards. That says bread storage. This one says I don't know what. Well, bread storage as well. It's not written very well. It's got a couple of drawers, and then below just a cupboard. Jam pot covers. Very nice, stylish piece.